types of pipes used for water supply in plumbing works. So let's begin. There are two types of plumbing systems in buildings. One is direct water supply system and other is indirect water supply system. First we will discuss about indirect water supply system. This type Pakistan and Asian countries where the municipal water supply pressure is higher, the water cannot reach the overhead tank. Hence water is supplied from underground tank to overhead tank with the help of pump and then it flows to respective floor by gravity. Using this system R, there is no threat of pipe burst. If main water supply is stopped due to some reasons, then water can still be made available from storage tank. Disadvantages of using this system are, in this system, the upper floors will get water at less pressure. The lower and ground floors will get water at high pressure, causing problem flush valves. Also, it requires extra cost of pipes and tanks, which is substantial. Due to overhead tank, the dead weight of building increases. Now we will discuss about direct water supply system. Such type of water supply system is used in America and European countries. When the pressure in municipal water, then we can use direct water supply system. In this system, there is underground tank which gets water from municipal water supply line to a respective floor. It's required quantity of water. Advantages of using this type of system are, in this system, overhead tank is not required and hence less piping and less maintenance is required. That's why this system is economical as compared to indirect water supply system. The pumps are designed in such a way that water can be supplied at any pressure at any floor. In case of indirect water supply system, the water is supplied to overhead tank first and then it will be supplied to respective floors. Hence, direct water supply system consumes less energy. Disadvantages of using this system are, pipes may leak due to high pressure water flowing through them. Continuous power supply with backup from generator is required to operate this system, else no power, no supply of water. Now we will discuss about the pipes used for plumbing works in buildings. PEX pipes. PEX, also known as cross-linked polyethylene. PEX pipe is a flexible plastic pipe. The initial cost of this type of piping is slightly higher. The installation process is fast and it requires minimal maintenance. It is better than copper piping. It is heat resistant and can be used for hot and cold water supply. The drawback of using this pipe is it cannot be used in outdoor applications as UV rays can damage its plastic layer. These pipes are vulnerable to being perforated by mouth parts of plant feeding insects. Copper pipes. Copper pipes have considerable strength, reasonable ductility and high corrosion resistance. There are 3 gauge, means the wall thickness of pipe is more. Medium gauge, means the wall thickness of pipe is medium. And light gauge, the wall thickness of pipe is less. Copper pipes can be used for both hot and cold water supply. They have high tensile strength and can therefore have thin walls and they can be bent easily. These pipes can be used in thin walls. When the groundwater is highly corrosive to metals, then copper pipes are used. Cast iron pipes. CI pipes are most common type of pipes used in sewer lines of homes and some commercial properties. CI pipes are stones without breaking. The major drawback of CI pipes is they can rust and corrode very fast. Galvanized iron pipes. When steel is galvanized, it becomes galvanized iron. In galvanization process, a thin coating of zinc is deposited on steel to protect it from corrosion. GI pipes are much stronger than copper pipes. But the drawback is they corrode easily in soft and acid waters. These pipes can be used where GI pipes are very economical. GI pipes are costlier than PVC pipes. These pipes were used several years ago in residential building projects. The homes built in between 1930 to 1980 have GI pipes, but nowadays GI pipes are not being used in residential construction for plumbing purposes. Most homes that have GI pipes need to be repiped. Stoneware pipes. Stoneware pipe is manufactured in ceramic industries by burning soft soil in high temperature. These pipes are laid on an even bed of concrete. Nowadays, PVC pipes are being preferred to these pipes in many places. These pipes are extensively used as underground drainage pipes in low-cost construction buildings. These pipes are cheap. Asbestos cement pipes. This is a type of pipe that is made using asbestos and cement. These pipes are very cheap compared to all, but they are heavy and they can break easily. These pipes are used as vent pipes, soil pipes, and rainwater pipes, etc. Form of PVC is polyvinyl chloride. These pipes are lightweight. Pipes are further classified into following: unplasticized PVC means UPVC or rigid pipes. These pipes are used for cold water supply. These pipes are used for distribution of water with temperature below 45 degrees Celsius. Plasticized PVC pipes, which are plasticized with addition of rubber. These pipes have lower strength and lower working temperature than UPVC pipes. Chlorinated PVC. Chlorinated PVC, which can withstand higher temperature up to 120 degrees Celsius. These PVC pipes are more flexible than PVC pipes. These pipes are cement pipes but cheaper than GI pipes. Concrete pipes. They can be reinforced or unreinforced with varying diameters. Small unreinforced concrete अगस्त को चंद्रमा के ऑर्बिट में पहुंचा चंद्रयान। Feels like a French kiss. New Cadbury Silk Ganache.
आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी, सर, we have achieved soft landing on the moon. India is on the moon. 23rd August 2023. Finally, we did it. इंडिया मून के साउथ पोल पर लैंड करने वाली पहली और यूएस, रशिया और चाइना के बाद मून पर सॉफ्ट लैंडिंग करने वाली चौथी कंट्री बन चुकी है। और फ्रेंड्स, जैसे ही प्रज्ञान रोवर बाहर निकला, वैसे ही इसरो वालों ने रोवर के मून की सतह पर चलते ही एक बहुत ही बढ़िया पिक्चर भेजी है, जिसे मैं कुछ ही देर में रिवील करूंगा। वो इमेज देखकर हर भारतीय का सीना गर्व हो जाएगा। Guess it is a proof that we are finally on moon. But इस सक्सेस की छाप हमेशा चांद पर बनी रहेगी। सरफेस पर चलना शुरू करेगा, बोस पर काव किए गए अशोका स्तंभ और इसरो के लोगों के इम्प्रिंट्स कुछ इस तरह से पीछे छोड़ेगा। इसरो के इस सक्सेस को देखकर इसमें इंडियन स्टार्टअप का इन्वेस्टमेंट्स कई गुना बढ़ गए। I mean, जहां पर 4 साल पहले सिर्फ 10 इंडियन स्पेस स्टार्टअप्स इसरो के मिशन में इन्वेस्ट कर रहे। Not just this, बड़े-बड़े कंट्रीज लाइक जापान और यूके भी इसरो के साथ कोलैबोरेट करने के लिए तैयार हो चुके हैं। इस कोलैबोरेशन में उन्होंने इसरो के साथ 2 नए स्पेस मिशंस प्लान किए हैं, जिसकी वजह से हम ये बिल्कुल कह सकते हैं कि आज इंडिया के साथ-साथ बाकी सभी कंट्रीज को भी इसरो पर पूरा भरोसा है और ये भरोसा करने में सफल होगी। बट वेट फ्रेंड्स, ये सिनेरियो 4 दिन पहले ऐसा बिल्कुल सच्चाई से दुनिया अब तक अनजान है। We are looking for very exciting 14 days from now for Chandrayaan. Prime Minister has mentioned it is not Chandrayaan 3 alone, it is for future scientific exploratory missions. विज्ञान कहता है कि चांद पर मिट्टी है, चांद पर पानी है। सवाल है कि अगर वहां मिट्टी भी है और पानी भी है तो जिंदगानी क्यों है? क्या भारत का चंद्रयान 3 इस सवाल का जवाब पता करने वाला है? चंद्रमा पृथ्वी के चारों हिस्सा दिखाई देता है, चांद का दूसरा हिस्सा धरती से दिखाई नहीं देता। इसे चांद की डार्क साइड कहते हैं, जिसे धरती से देखना मुमकिन नहीं। चंद्रमा का जो हिस्सा हमें धरती से नजर नहीं आ, वैज्ञानिकों ने
And the whole world is watching with bated breath as India's Chandrayaan 3 is set to land near the lunar south pole tomorrow. And my colleague Haim gets you more.
Thank you so much, Renisha. Of course, in less than 36 hours, India will take another shot at creating history. The Chandrayaan-3 is set to land near the lunar south pole tomorrow. In the next 3 minutes, we take you through the phases in the landing processes he has taken this time around. Now, the lander module is at an orbit of 25 kilometers by 134 kilometers around the moon. The powered descent is set to begin on Wednesday at 5:45 p.m. IST. The descent will happen in 4 broad phases here. The first is the rough braking phase. The second here being the attitude hold phase. The third, fine braking phase. Things went wrong with Chandrayaan-2 precisely in this phase in 2019. And then finally we have the most critical part of the landing is the process of velocity down to facilitate a soft landing at the pre-designated landing site. The complex task called when the lander is at a height of about 30 kilometers from the lunar surface. In the crucial 690 seconds that follow, the height of the lander will be reduced to 7.42 kilometers from the moon's surface. In the meantime, the lander will then cover a horizontal distance of over 713 kilometers towards the landing site. Now, at the end of the rough braking phase here, the horizontal velocity will be reduced and the vertical velocity will be raised to 6 km. Now, when the lander reaches a height of 7.42 from the moon's surface, it will go into an attitude hold phase, like I mentioned earlier. That will last around 10 seconds. And in these 10 seconds, the lander will make a first tilt from a horizontal to a vertical position. So a distance of 3.48 kilometers will be covered in the process. The altitude in this time will be reduced from 7.42 to 6.8 kilometers. The horizontal